Hello and welcome. My name is Tommy and this is my new video. I'm just back from the holiday and it's time to go back to the business. But before market open, I just decided to come out a little bit because the weather is just so nice. I don't want to miss the last opportunities to enjoy this beautiful weather. So I'm just taking some of this fresh air. I'm recharging my batteries. I make myself ready for the market open. So wish me luck, guys, today, and let's continue from home. So here we are. It looks it is gonna be a very interesting day today, because since there is no earnings report for the day, I've decided to do something completely else, what I never did. So I'm gonna put myself in the deep water and I'm gonna try to trade a penny stock, which I never did. So I'm very excited, but I have no expectations. So let's jump into my computer and let's continue there. So after research, the stock I chose is Hungarian. The stock price is up more than 18% pre-market with a lot of volume, which is 6.8 million. The last news I found of the company, it was like 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna focus on the price action and I'm gonna try to figure out where the support and resistance lines are. So this is a pre-market chart, and as you can see, the price moved from 13 to 14, then jumped to 15 and came back to 14. So at first I'm gonna use the $13 as a support line, and we will see what's gonna happen on market open. But I expect a lot of big up and downs because this is a penny stock. So as I said before, I had no expectations. This is my plan A, $13 as a first support line. So I just changed my mind. This is a 1 year chart and I think I'm gonna leave the 13 as a support line. And as we know, this is a penny stock, so can happen everything. So I expect a much bigger pullback to 1180. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but I would like to see this kind of pullback, and that's gonna be the very nice entry for a long position. But I found some resistance line to 1540, so I expect it's gonna happen something between 1410 and 1540, but yeah, we will see on the open. So here we are, we have a 10 second until market open. Yeah, 1435 at the moment. I marked the line on 1410, but I guess it's just gonna spike on the open. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna jump in. I always like to see a pullback, and yeah, just let's see. 1450, 60, just as I imagined. So it looks 1410, it can be some support line. So which way you wanna go, tell me. I guess it's just gonna spike further. But I'm not gonna jump in at the moment. You always have to wait a little bit, and this is my first experience with penny stocks, so 1490, 15, yeah. I have a resistance there on 1540. We'll see if it's gonna break it through slightly, or if it's gonna be some stronger resistance line. But at the moment 1540 is there. And I have possibility only for the long position it's not possible to short it, so there are no shortable shares available. So only long position can be possible for me. Mhm. Mhm. Let's see if it's gonna. But as you can see, that 1540 just, yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So as you can see, the 1540 was a very strong resistance line. Now the price is back to close to 1410. Now the question if it's gonna be a strong support line and the price gonna jump spike back further, or gonna drop back to $13 or maybe much lower. Yeah, that's the question for me at the moment, and I'm not so confident, if I can be honestly so. At the moment I have no idea what to do. Normally I always know what I do, but at the moment I'm not so sure, so I'm just gonna watch it at the moment. So I still don't have any position, but I just missed a lot of opportunity. So you see how the chart looks like at the moment. It was a strong support here in 1410, jumped to 1540, where was my first resistance, came back to 1410, and this could be the perfect entry, and you see what just happened after. So yeah, I'm still on the sideline, but that's fine, it's no problem. Today I didn't feel myself so confident. No problem. I always say no trade is better than a trade with a loss, and it was my first experience with penny stocks, so I had no expectations. But anyway, I'm still proud that I could figure out where the support and resistance lines are, and next time I try to use them and to trade them, and I hope I'm gonna feel myself much more confident. I didn't make any profit today, but maybe there is one thing which can be helpful for you if you are new to trading. And my advice is never force a trade, because if you're gonna force it, most of the time it's gonna lead to a loss. And one of the most important things for a trader is to protect their money. But now the day is over. I'm gonna close my laptop and gonna enjoy the rest of the day. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, because tomorrow it's another day, another opportunity. So I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.